Hello, today I want to share with you the memories of my trip to Yazd, one of the most beautiful cities in Iran, and painted one of the beautiful alleys of Yazd. So stay with me. During our 3-day trip to Yazd, we stayed at Rostam's beautiful residence. The owner of this residence was Mr. Lorian, a middle-aged Zoroastrian kind man who welcomed us with a smile. This residence was very beautiful. I was very excited when I entered this place. Mud walls and a corridor that ends in a beautiful courtyard. On the occasion of Nowruz, it was arranged very beautifully in the yard of Haftzin. Haftzin, it is traditionally displayed at Nowruz, the Iranian New Year. Every corner of this house was full of old objects and very beautiful arrangements. Our room had a very pleasant atmosphere. In the morning, they gave us a delicious breakfast with beautiful dishes. After breakfast, we explored the city with a lot of energy. We used to go to the old alleys of the city and visit historical places. We also visited the market and enjoyed the beautiful handicrafts in this city. Now I want to paint this beautiful alley of Yazd with collage technique, so stay with me. I explained the description of this technique completely in the description section. Please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to like it. Now that we have finished the collage, join me to review the rest of the beauty of this trip together. I recommend that if you travel to Iran, you must go to the beautiful city of Yazd. I hope you like this video. Bye bye until the next video.